everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing off I got this about a week ago. The Midland WR120EZ. It isn't just a regular 120. It's a 120EZ. So what they mean by that is it's easier to program this radio. So, yeah, if we look at the back, we can see there's the Midland logo, serial number. You can see that this is the model radio 120EZ. And if we look over here, the looks, you got the Public Alert logo, the NOAA logo, same digital weather / all hazard alert radio. There's the speaker right there. And Midland logo. So yeah, that's what this looks like. You can see this is your warning, watch, and advisory lights. So yeah, now we're gonna be showing off the first feature, setting the time. Whenever you first get your radio, you will need to set the time, as it will always say 12 o'clock. So how to do it, you'll just push the arrows up and down to control what you want. And to go to the next digit, you'll just push the right button to go to this digit, next one to go to that digit. Simple as that. Next is setting the alarm. To do this, you will go set alarm in the menu, push select, set that to on, then select what time you want your alarm to go off, and then boom, just like you set the time. And I'm gonna put that back to off because I don't want that. So yeah, let's get that out of the way there. And yeah. So next feature is to set the language that you're in. It ranges between 3 languages: English, French, and this is Spanish right here. English is what I do, obviously. The next is how to set your location. This is basically that same encoding thing. So to do this, you're gonna see. So you can have it on single for one county, multiple counties, or any county, which I keep it on any. In case you want to do this, I'm gonna just do a demonstration of it. So I'll go with a single or multiple. And no, that's not my county. Select a country. There's only 2. There's only USA and Canada, which I'm in the USA, which I'm pretty sure that's kind of obvious. Then you will find your state, which my state is going to be North Carolina. So you find your state. Sorry, I'm gonna scroll through a lot of states. There's North Carolina. And you'll find your county. So I'm currently scrolling through all the counties in the state until you find yours, which in my case is Brunswick. Boom. And boom. You will only get alerts for your location. I'm going to keep it on any because I want to get all alerts. The alert type, this is basically how you want it to alert you. So I keep it on voice. If it's on the voice setting, then it will beep for a few seconds and then tell you the message. The tone setting, how this works is it'll beep, but it will keep beeping until you push the weather snooze button. And the display, I don't do this because, well, unless you have impaired hearing, get the 18 SGR strobe light. But still, I do not recommend the display setting because it will just scroll across the screen. It's not really a useful way to get alerted. I'm gonna keep it on voice. And next is the alert test. This is probably loud, so just a warning you. 3, 2, 1. And that was the alert test. Next is to set the channel that you want. This is where we can also check the reception doing this.
USGS well house will be flooded.
My local station, KHB 31.
The wind was north at 16 knots.
KC 95 in
Water temperature was 72
Ainer, or
degrees.
Surfside Beach, or whatever that is.
8 feet.
200 Myrtle
Wait
Beach.
period 9 seconds.
You can't pick it up all the time, but this will be KXR 95 in Warsaw. This is carry out talking, that's WXL 50 in St. Paul's. That's just a glitchy thing. That's
Dozens
still
of buildings
okay.
may be isolated or flooded along the river, both upstream and downstream of Elizabethtown.
I'll keep it on my station, of course, the backlight. Now, the backlight is to do settings with the backlight, of course. So, you can either set it to normal, you can set it to on, or set it to off. Which I'm going to keep it on normal. Next is the button beeps. This is if you want to turn on or off your button beeps. So to do it, go to button beeps, then push select, push off, and now, as you can see, you won't hear any button beeps anymore. I'm going to keep it on because I like to make sure that the sound's working. Next is to set the events. This is how you can have them all on, all default, all off, and then you can edit the events. This is how you edit the events you want on or off. I'm not going to edit any now. In case you wanted to edit anything like this, this is administrative message. You can turn it on or off. Keep it on. So I'll scroll through everything. Administrative message. Oh, wrong way. Avalanche watch, avalanche warning. Boil water warning. Blizzard warning. Tile abduction emergency. Coastal flood watch, coastal flood warning. Dam watch. Basically, they mean like Hoover Dam, if there's like something going on over there. I'm not sure what practice demo is. Dust storm warning. Evacuation watch. Flash flood watch. Flash flood statement. Flash flood warning. Flood watch. Flood statement. Flood warning. Those are just the river flood warnings. Fire warning. Flash freeze warning. Freeze warning. Hurricane statement. Hurricane watch. High wind watch. High wind warning. Iceberg warning. And you cannot turn off hurricane warning as far as I'm concerned. As far as I know. Iceberg warning. National Audible Test. National Information Center. Network Notification Message. Some of these is kind of hard to remember. National Periodic Test. National Silent Test. Power Outage Advisory. Required monthly and weekly tests. Special Marine Warning. Special Weather Statement. Now, for the Special Weather Statement, you're not going to get beeped at for these. And it won't even scroll across the screen. If you're listening to the NOAA weather radio, just it'll pause and see the following is a special weather statement. At what, AM or PM? A strong thunderstorm was located over Dada, moving east at da miles an hour. So, that's how that works. Wrong way again. What the heck? Severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorm warning. There it is. Severe weather statement. Those actually exist. Tornado watch. No tornado warning. You cannot turn on or off the tornado warning on these because it's really well programmed in the radio, so you can't turn it off. So, which I can understand why. 911 telephone outage emergency. Tropical storm watch. Transmitter backup on, I think. Yeah. Transmitter carrier. I think this is off. Yeah. I'm actually sure what these are. Transmitter carrier on. Transmitter primary. I think this is also on. Wildfire watch. Winter storm watch. Winter storm warning. Unrecognized watch. These are all just unrecognized. Unrecognized emergency. Unrecognized statement. Unrecognized message. And that's all. That's all of them. Not sure. There's no unrecognized warning, but yeah. So that's all of them, which I keep them all. I like to keep all of them on. Oh. Well, I guess that was done anyway. Now, after you I want to also mention this. After you select your channel, after you select your channel, you can push the weather
Wednesday
seas
and Wednesday night,
and it'll
clear.
just say weather in
Highs
your
in the upper
station.
50s.
You can't
Lows
change
in
the
the
station
upper
here,
30s.
but you can scroll through the warning if
Thursday,
there's any in
sunny.
effect. Since there's none in effect,
Highs in the
it just
lower
says no
60s.
message.
The coastal waters.
More coastal water crap. Anyway, another feature, another thing is this. It's on the side here. Is this? This is the setting to turn on or off the NOAA on this. So if I push the switch to off, there will be no NOAA. It'll just be, well, pretty much just a clock. Still, there's button beeps. You can still set the time, set the alarm. You can set the language, location. You can do alert type, no alert tasks. So you can't set the channel. You can do stuff with the backlight button beeps and events, and you can't turn on the weather radio. It will see how it won't let me do that unless the switch is turned on. Which I'm gonna keep that on. So, and I'm gonna put this back where it was. I just did it down there to show it off. Well, that's a video on my Midland WR120EZ.